That's cool.
Hello.
Ethan, what are you doing?
I am a robot.
You want to come in for the reading, Mr. Robot? Okay, we're
That
videoing.
is my brother. He's so fun. He loves robots. It's so cool. He loves robots. He's a robot man.
Mommy, it was just me.
Oh, it was just you.
Hey, that's a robot.
All right, Jenny's going to read us the book. You want to sit down? You have to be very quiet, okay?
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So,
Hello, my name is Aisha. That's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Bones. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today?
Oh, is this for faces?
Yes. What? A bowl, a shrimp, a hat. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not. No. I achoo. I cannot stop us.
he started to say sneezing, but he just said sn.
Sneeze. Sneeze. Achoo. Sneeze.
You are
Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Slide. She's flying to the rescue. What if you tried to sneeze more often?
Softly.
Softly. Sorry. But if pigs make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be happy.
Apart.
Apart forever.
Oh, he's getting
But-
upset.
Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. How big is a piggy silly? That's a cat. That's a cat. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not. Okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now, cats make me sneeze too. Tand.
Thud.
Thud. Mommy? I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggy! Great news, Piggy! Great news. I have a cold. Good for you.
What's wrong with Piggy now, you think?
I don't know.
Let's look at the last page again. What's he doing?
Now he has a cold.
Right.
And he's on the Nuffle Bunny.
And what is that down there?
And the pigeon is not holding anything.
Oh my goodness.
Just that and
That was
The end.
the end. I hope you like this book. I hope you love my video. Bye.